Hey y'all! Today we're at Clarkco State Park in Quitman, Mississippi. This state park has a lot of amenities and fun things to do. You can fish here. They do have a boat launch. They have a playground and a little splash pad for the kids. They have a disc golf course. They have tennis courts and they have a lot of pavilions and picnic areas. They have nature trails throughout the park and they have mountain bike trails. They have 43 RV campsites here. They have 7 primitive campsites, and then on the other side of the lake, they have 21 cabins. We're staying in the campground today. We're over here on site number 19. All of the sites here are full hookup. We're on an asphalt pad, obviously a back end. We have a gravel front yard. And our site is elevated, so you have a step down here that takes you down to a picnic table, a grill, and then down there is a big fire pit. Obviously a waterfront. And we are surrounded by trees, big trees. But we made it in and had enough room to put the patio down. At the time of this video, Clarkco State Park is closed for major renovations. The campground and both the cabins are undergoing some major changes. According to the host, it's going to take about a year, so they likely won't be reopened until sometime in the fall of 2025. We are looking forward to their renovations and hope to be able to get a reservation once they reopen. Let us know if you've ever stayed at Clarkco and if you're excited about the new changes coming next year. Thanks for watching today's video, y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.